Hello and welcome to my channel, and I am so excited to have you here, on this channel. In the box, we have SIM ejector tool, Type C to 3.5mm connector. For using 3.5mm jack easily, and some paper about detailed about phone, as how to use this, and also with a transparent case, which is safety for mobile when use it. The POCO G3 Pro is a smartphone from the Chinese brand POCO, which is a sub-brand of Xiaomi. The device was announced in May 2021 and comes with some impressive features at an affordable price point. Now, carefully removing the plastic or paper cover from the phone and set it aside. The USB Type-C cable has a reversible connector, which means it can be inserted into the charging port of the POCO X3GT in either orientation, making it more convenient to use. The adapter included with the POCO X3GT is a fast-charging adapter that supports up to 67 watt of power output, which means that it can charge the phone quickly and efficiently. To use the adapter, simply plug one end of the USB Type-C cable into the charging adapter and the other end into the charging port on the POCO X3GT. In terms of cameras, the POCO G3 Pro has a quad camera setup on the back, with a 48-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. On the front, there's a 20-megapixel selfie camera housed in a punch-hole cutout. The speaker grills are located at the bottom and top of the phone, and are used for audio output. The POCO X3GT features dual stereo speakers, which provide a more immersive audio experience. Volume rocker is located below the power button, and is used to adjust the volume of the ringer, media, and other sounds on the phone. On the left side of the POCO X3GT, there is a SIM card tray that can accommodate 2 Nano-SIM cards. The SIM card tray has a pinhole that can be used to eject the tray when a SIM card needs to be inserted or removed. The POCO X3GT features a 6.6-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is the latest and toughest glass offered by Corning. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. And if you enjoy what you see, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts.